If captions aren't showing up on YouTube videos, you can try a few steps to fix the issue. First, make sure captions are enabled by opening YouTube, playing any video, and tapping the CC icon at the top. You should see a message at the bottom confirming that subtitles are turned on. You can also tap the gear icon, open the captions option, and select your preferred language so captions appear accordingly. If captions still don't show, update the YouTube app by going to the Play Store, searching for YouTube, and tapping Update if available. After updating, you can also try clearing the app's cache by pressing and holding the YouTube app icon, tapping the Info button to open its settings, going to Storage, and selecting Clear Cache. If none of these steps work, the issue may be on YouTube's end. Team YouTube has acknowledged this problem and is working on a fix, so you may need to wait until they resolve it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.